Hello and welcome back to today's tutorial or today's step. And today I want us to look at something else. So I want us to look at how you can be able to create a backup button on your Access project. So this for Access developers or for those doing projects in Access, or just if you are having fun or just want to learn how to use Access. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a button. This system that I created. If you have been following my videos on the YouTube, you can be able to see how I was able to create this system. It is a 1 hour 40-minute video, so you should go there and watch. Maybe you can be able to create your own. So what you're going to do, you're going to create another button here, so you can copy and paste. Then you're going to bring our button there. This one we're going to change this one. You go to properties, and then you can change this one to backup. So you want when the user clicks on this button, the system will be able to create a copy of the whole of this system in another location. Okay, so you're going to go to a location in your computer. So you're going to go to the external hard disk that I've connected to this computer, and you're going to create a folder there. So you're going to create a new folder, and you're going to call this folder a backup folder. Remember, for those who have been using Access, the user can be able to get to the location where you have kept that file, and he or she can be able to delete. So it's very good practice when you're designing to create a backup, so that in case it is deleted, you can be able to retrieve, or you can be able to have a copy of your work. After doing that, you are going to come to our main form where you have that button, and then you're going to right click, you go to build event, and then you go to code build, and this is where you're going to put the code. So you're going to declare some variables. So you're going to declare the source as string, then we are going to declare the target as string, and then you're going to declare another variable as string. Okay, then we're also going to assign our source, the variable we have called the source, as the current database that you are using, .name. Then you're going to assign the target, or where the backup will be stored. This one will be on our drive C, drive E, that is on our external hard disk. Then I have a problem with this keyboard, so I have to use an internal keyboard to put this /. Okay, and then the folder you have called it backup. If you remember what we did at the beginning of this video, so that is the folder where we want our backup to be. Then we are going to assign a name to our backup, and the target, that is folder, and the name we are going to assign it is there. So we just want to give it the date today, so that you can know on which date was it formatted or was it created. So just say format. Now if you put this one, it will give you the date today, and for our case we just want to know the day, month, and year. Then you can close this one, and then the format of our database is .accdb. Okay, so if you go to that folder after you have clicked on that button, you should expect to find a database with the name like this one. So the name of whatever you're going to create will be something like this one, that is the date, month, and the year. Then from there we are going to assign to false or to 0. So the variable that you create, you are going to assign it to 0. From there, you're going to declare an object. This object, and this object, you're going to set this object equals create object, and then the object that you want to create, want scripting dot file system object, and then you just close that one, and then our variable that we had assigned to 0, we are going to assign it to true. So we are going to equals obj dot copy file. So this one is going to copy file from one location to another, and you want to be copied from the source. So you are going to assign the source return, then to the target, and this one you are going to set as 1 or true. Then from there we are going to tell the system where our database is. So dot follow hyperlink, and then you are going to get where our system is. So you can go to where you have our system, so that you can copy this our system. You go to properties, and then you're going to copy this one, and remember why I'm saying you have to copy this one. It's not a must that it should be on drive C. On drive D it can be somewhere else. Then after doing that, our system or a program or that code should be able to create a backup for you. So you can just close, and then we run this and we see what happens. So if you go to a folder now, so if you go to device, you go to backup, it is empty for now, but when you click here and then you click backup, you'll be able to see that a backup has created just the same as the one that you already have. So that is how you create a backup using Microsoft Access, or how you can create a backup, or a button that the user can be clicking so that you can create a backup for your work. So thank you for watching. Remember to follow, to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.